Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients. Use 1 lb pork shoulder, 1 lb fresh spinach, 1 tomato, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tsp cumin, 1/2 tsp garam masala, 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, and 1 tsp salt. Mince garlic and ginger finely, chop spinach coarsely, and cut pork into 1-inch cubes so pieces cook evenly. Season the pork with 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp black pepper, and 1/2 tsp. Start the saag by blanching 1 lb spinach in boiling water for 1 minute, then immediately shock it in ice water to preserve the bright green color and nutrients. Drain well and puree the blanched spinach with 1/4 cup water into a smooth but slightly textured paste and set aside. In a wide pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil and sauté 1 tsp cumin seeds until they pop. Then add minced garlic and minced ginger and cook until fragrant before stirring in the spinach puree and 1/2 tsp garam masala. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a heavy skillet until shimmering and sear the seasoned pork cubes 2 to 3 minutes per side to develop a brown crust and lock in juices. Remove pork briefly, sauté 1 chopped tomato until soft, return pork to the pan and stir in 1/4 cup plain yogurt. Then cover and simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes until the pork is fork tender. Fold the prepared saag into the pork. Simmer together 5 minutes. Adjust salt and serve hot with rice or flatbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.